Something feels off, but you can't explain it. You're doing everything right, but nothing's changing. You eat, you snack, you eat again, and your body never gets a break. Imagine a warehouse where delivery trucks never stop arriving. Boxes pile up, blocking the exits, and no one has time to fix what's broken. That's not just a metaphor. That's your body on constant eating. But the moment you stop, something changes. Everything inside your body starts working differently. Table. Someone told you that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. That skipping meals is dangerous. That hunger is an emergency. What if every single one of those things was wrong? What if the most powerful health decision you could make is to stop eating for a set window of time each day and let your body do what it was designed to do? Today, we are going inside your body, hour by hour. And what you are about to find out will change the way you think about food forever. Let us start the clock. Your body is a factory that never closes. Picture a massive factory. It runs 24 hours a day. Machines are going. Workers are running around. Deliveries arrive every 2 hours. The loading dock is always jammed. Inside, things are breaking down. Old machines are falling apart. Pipes are clogged. Dust and rust are piling up in the corners. But nobody has time to fix any of it, because the deliveries never stop. This is your body on 3 meals a day plus snacks. Now imagine something different. One morning, the trucks stop coming. The doors close. The loading dock goes quiet. And the maintenance crew finally walks in. They fix the broken machines. They melt down the old parts and build something new. For the first time in years, the factory is not just processing. It is healing. That is intermittent fasting. And what follows will show you exactly how it works inside your body. Full, fed, and locked shut. The moment you finish your meal, your body goes to work. Your stomach is full. Your blood is flooded with nutrients. Your digestive system breaks everything down and sends it into your bloodstream. Your pancreas responds by releasing insulin. Think of insulin like a security guard at a one-way gate. When insulin is high, energy flows only in. Not one drop flows out. Your fat cells are padlocked shut. While insulin is circulating, burning body fat is biologically impossible. Any extra sugar gets packed into your liver and muscles as glycogen. Think of it as a wallet full of cash. Easy to reach, but it only holds so much. Right now you feel fine. You feel full. Nothing dramatic has happened yet. But the clock is ticking. The wall and why you must push through it. Here is where most people give up. Around hour 6, the energy from your meal fades. Blood sugar drops. Insulin clocks out. And your brain sends a signal you know very well. Hunger. Your stomach rumbles. You feel tired, maybe irritable. Every instinct is telling you to eat. Most people do. But here is what they do not know. That hunger is not a warning that your body is in danger. It is just your body asking for the easy fuel it is used to, like a driver who panics because his usual gas station is closed, even though the backup tank is completely full. If you push through, your liver opens the glycogen wallet and starts breaking down stored sugar to keep your brain powered. You are not starving. You are not losing muscle. You are spending the savings you put away earlier. Your body knows exactly what to do. You just have to let it. The switch gets flipped. This is the moment everything changes. By hour 12, your glycogen wallet is nearly empty. Insulin drops to its lowest level. And that single drop sends a signal through your entire body like an alarm going off in a quiet room. An enzyme called hormone-sensitive lipase wakes up. Its one job: unlock your fat cells. And for the first time in perhaps days, your body reaches into your fat stores and starts pulling out fuel. You are no longer running on the meal you ate. You are now running on you. By hour 14 to 16, the hunger pangs disappear. Because your energy is no longer a roller coaster. It is a steady flat line, flowing from the tens of thousands of calories stored in your own body. Your brain cannot burn fat directly, so your liver converts it into ketones, a superfuel your brain runs on beautifully. Cleaner than glucose. More energy, less waste. This is why around hour 16, something remarkable happens. The The brain fog lifts, focus sharpens, energy rises, calm, clear, electric. Hunger was never meant to make you weak. It was meant to make you sharp. It was meant to turn you into a hunter. The cleaning crew arrives. Remember that factory from the beginning, the one with broken machines and rust in the corners? The cleaning crew just walked in. At around hour 16, your body activates one of the most powerful self-repair processes known to science. It is called autophagy, from the Greek words for self-eating. Your cells start hunting for waste, damaged proteins, worn-out mitochondria, the energy factories inside your cells that have gone slow and dim, misfolded proteins that could eventually lead to disease, viruses and bacteria hiding inside the cell wall. They wrap all of it up, dissolve it, and use the raw materials to build something brand new. This only happens in a fasted state. When food keeps coming in, the cleaning crew never gets called. The clutter builds, year after year. In 2016, the Nobel Prize in Medicine was awarded for research into autophagy. Scientists have linked it to reduced risk of Alzheimer's, cancer, and accelerated aging. You can activate it for free by simply not eating. The force field goes up. By now you are probably wondering, if my body is breaking things down, is it going after my muscle? The answer is a firm, science-backed no. Around hour 20, your body releases human growth hormone, HGH. During a fast, HGH levels can spike by 1,300 to 2,000%. That is not a typo. HGH wraps around your lean muscle like a force field. Burn the fat. Leave the muscle alone. Your body is not going to burn the furniture to heat the house when there is a full shed of firewood right outside. Right now, insulin is at its lowest. HGH is at its highest. Fat burning is at its peak. Cellular repair is running at full speed. You are simultaneously burning fat and protecting muscle. You are not depleted. You are optimized. Hour 23 is here. It is time to eat. You were never starving. You were healing. After 23 hours, your body is a dry sponge. Every cell is ready to absorb. Your gut has rested. Your good bacteria are stronger. What you eat right now matters more than at any other time of day. Start with real protein: eggs, steak, salmon. Add healthy fats. Load up on vegetables. Eat this way and you will get full fast because your hunger hormones are finally working the way they were designed to. Ease into this. Push your first meal back by 2 hours this week. Then 4. Let your body adapt at its own pace. We were told our whole lives that more food means more power. But the pause between meals is just as powerful as the meal itself. You are not punishing your body when you fast. You are giving it permission to do the work it has been waiting years to do. You were never starving. You were healing. If something clicked for you in this video, I want to hear it. Drop a comment below. Which hour surprised you most? Was it when hunger disappeared? The autophagy? The HGH spike? Share this with one person in your life who is always tired, always bloated, always searching. They might be one fasting window away from feeling like a completely different person. The next video covers exactly what to eat to get the maximum benefit from your one meal. I will see you there.